are breaking and more are coming again.
How many do you think we've seen fly overhead so far? Like,
probably a good 5,000 to 10,000.
yeah. And you think it stops, but it doesn't stop. It's just that the visibility's so poor.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, here comes like 5,000 out of it.
Mass coming again. If they swirl around down there, then.
Or if they're like doing some work over there, they've dug up the field and there's a lot of seed or
I don't know.
grubs or something.
I can't even imagine how many that is. Every time you think they're done,
Another whole few hundred come along.
Interesting.
And I should say, since I'm recording this for documentation purposes, we spent a good 2 minutes standing out here watching them pass overhead before I started.
At least, yeah.
Yeah. Is that it?
No,
There's
more coming
some
up
more.
the horizon still. It's interesting. If you pick one on the horizon in the mass, like on the edge.
Then all of a sudden, like 5 more will appear beside them.
Well, what I've been doing is just, when they just come into view, pick one on like left, right, or center, and they'll pretty much hold their position.
They're coming back.
Wait, go back!
Hey, what anything good over there? So I wonder if we're going to see the whole group come back now.
I don't know.
Oh, here's more. I was about to be done with it.
And there's more going back now too.
What the heck?
Maybe it's like a relay race.
Oh, there's. Look at that. Here they come back.
Yeah. That is wild. The thing for the muses on slow work days. What I'm starting to say is, oh wow.
Oh, whoa.
Holy cow, the swarms. My God.
I mean, the sky is actually darkening with them.
Now they're all coming from over there. Now what I was doing was, way off on the horizon, I'd pick one that's like flying in the center of the map and watch it, and it would stay in the center. Likewise, one that would stay on the left or, start out on the left or the right, they would stay pretty much on the position that they were tracking. Never found one that would cross from left